Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well today. Once again, I'm uploading a little more frequently, both working from home and just staying more isolated within, just for the protection of myself and other people around me and in my family, and also people that I don't know. I think this is something very, very important. So usually I wouldn't start with something so political, but please try and be mindful and realize how much impact we have on those around us. Again, another skincare video, which is something that you could order online and get home straight to give yourself a pamper. And if you're feeling ultra bougie, you could always go with this. This is the two-step mask. So I'm going to invite my B-roll to come into the shot and show you up close and personal what kind of things this mask is all about. So now let's have a little look. The first step uses the Caviar Youth Renewal Mask. So this has caviar within its first 5 ingredients. I dare you to go and have a look at other ultra expensive masks or skincare, and I can bet you that they do not have it that high up in the lists, which obviously reflects in the price, but I still think it's really fair. Contains things like hyaluronic acid, which is written down as sodium hyaluronate, and then secondly, focusing much more on the 24 karat gold extract. It has the oak kernel extract, it has artichoke leaf extract. Again, hits you with more sodium hyaluronate, hyaluronic acid, and fermented filtrate. We're talking a lot of hydration. Yeah, it's a lot. The hydration is a key focus for what's in this mask. I'm gonna grab my massive iPad and pair. So with this mask, obviously this is a two-step mask, and because it is something completely unique, first steps first, I have uploaded so many videos from UFO to Luna to other masks, so I'm not gonna reiterate myself too many times and keep it really boring. I'm gonna turn it on now, which holding it for 5 seconds. I've turned Bluetooth on my iPad, connected. I'm now just gonna put the microphone down so you can properly hear what she's gonna say. So here we go. This is a complete different kind of fabric as well in terms of the sachet. So this comes drenched in serum, and this is the first of a kind where actually you don't need the ring. You insert it on the device like this. And what this does is it creates micro channels where you are allowed, it basically permits the serum to constantly be driven into the skin, so reducing any dry bits. Also, I think this is going to be the best for men out of any mask they've ever done. So yeah, let's give it a go. We're going to change the lens and get on with the facial. Okay, I am ready / not ready for my close-up.
Use a circular motion as you gently glide UFO across your face and neck, distributing mask essence evenly.
It feels really nice. I'm going to try and talk when she's not talking. So with the UFO 2, obviously it is more intense of a heat. So I think because this has a silicone mask, this is actually a lot better. I'm going to let you know as well that this is only applicable with the UFO or the UFO 2, not the mini, because it involves the cryotherapy. So this is red, light, warming, and T-sonic pulsations. But if you can hear, pulsations are really calm. I'm going to be really honest, it could be more intense. But, my gosh, this is just very... I mean, this oozes decadence, so I think this mask is not about being like natural collection, advanced thing, blah, 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 blah. It's more about being really calming and really, again, luxurious. Ooh. Smells incredible as well. It smells very fresh, slightly citrusy, slight kind of musk, amber, very light, which sounds like contradicting. Also, this mask lasts 3 minutes long, so this is the Lionel Richie of any UFO mask, and really strange that already now it would technically be already done. So I bet you guys are so happy about this video being, again, another longie. This is the first time I've ever used a UFO mask, and I've been able to go on my stubble this intensely and it not slip off, so this is incredible. Now, green LED, and cooling, and the T-sonic pulsations on. Okay, quite a big amount. I'd say get it on the face in the cooling stage, because this is when it's going to close the pores. I also don't understand why she's not talking today. She's tired. She's working from home as well. It's okay. I can talk for us both. Yeah, the cooling's really intense, feels incredible. And what I'm really excited about is the second steps. When this is done, so I'm going to turn it off, force it off with a button. Oh, force it off, cheeky. Okay. This is obviously the mask. I'm massively eco-friendly focused, as I hope all of you are watching. So my tip is going to be, well, one thing I thought in my head, which hopefully will work, and I think will, is I'm actually going to take it apart. So try and pop this out. So this obviously is a disc behind it, which is keeping this in place. And in fact, this is the mask. This is the disc. So this is silicone as a texture, which means that it's antimicrobial, very smooth, and obviously permanent device, like a permanent fixture. So for me, I'm looking at getting this mask as $24.90 for one or $89 for five. I am not going to be one to throw this away, and I think you're a fool to do so. I'm going to use this on top of my other masks. On top of my other masks as a holder. As a male, it's going to mean that I can still use it. Even the most delicate masks, which if you are a super OG fan, you will know that things like Glow Addict or H2 Overdose are very light textured as masks, and it's always been kind of a pet peeve for me that they've always kind of slipped off my face. To have something that led this on could really help me. 24 karat gold serum. This is extremely close up. This is at 85mm crop factor. So I would definitely... Oh wow, this is very thick. Okay, so my forehead and my face looks quite plastic, which I am not opposed to, or I'm going to complain about. This feels incredible. This is obviously, I mean, I kind of seem unfazed by it, just because I knew what I was kind of getting myself into with this mask. There will be a link down below if you're interested in one yourself, including the UFO that I used. Feels incredibly mobile. All I put on this morning on my skin was the hyaluronic acid serum by Foreo, which again, sound like I'm sponsored, I'm absolutely not. It's just my best hyaluronic acid serum that does not contain fragrance. So I'm loving it right now while my skin is slightly more sensitive being indoors more. I feel like the heating and being indoors and not having aircon and things like that is actually playing with my skin even more. Anyway, I'm going to change back to the lens and finish up this video. So the one thing that I wanted to do, especially with reviewing this mask, is be as kind of critical as I could be. So obviously this mask is, for one, more expensive than any other box of 6 or 7 masks. So is it 6 or 7 times better? To be honest, UFO masks are that good in general. You should never compare it to money. I would definitely just put the ingredients side by side. So obviously ingredients that are in the Youth Junkie or Matte Maniac or the Natural collections, when you put it aside to the Caviar infusion mask, obviously it's not going to cost as much. It just wouldn't. Obviously ingredients like Caviar are much more luxurious. 24 karat gold is much more luxurious, and the potency of said ingredients, meaning that they're going to be using a lot more in that formula. They so easily could have done what so many companies do and have it as the last ingredient, which means there's like 0.01% within it, but it's all in neon flashing lights. And yeah, that's very admirable, which is why I always appreciate and will happily review Foreo products until they change doing that. So yeah, anyway, I want to ask you guys what you thought of this mask. Would you pay $24.90 or $25, I don't know how much it is in the US, for this mask? Do you think this is better on my skin than any other mask that I've used? Personally, would I use this mask again? 100%. Would I use it very often? No. If I had more disposable income, I would use this every month as my luxurious like skin reset, calm the skin down, sleep with it, let it do its magic, because money wouldn't be as much of an object for me. To be honest, I would use this before a wedding, before a big birthday party, before a massive date night that I wanted to impress, when I would run into my ex. Those are the times that I would use this mask. And the benefit of the serum is the fact that you can still, I mean, I have a larger face, probably than any of my viewers. It's okay, it's true, I said it. I would say, to be honest, that could last probably 2 to 3 days minimum, and that makes it really worthwhile in terms of like the follow-up, that you're still infusing the skin with the 24 karat gold, the sodium hyaluronate, the oat kernel extract, the artichoke extract, and all the things like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, I'm really enjoying the feedback. I adore all of you for watching, and it means the absolute world. If you are interested in any more videos like this, I will put at the end of it all of my playlists. And yeah, make sure to share it to anyone who is also skin care, skin masking, sheet masking, obsessed. I will see you guys in the next video, and bye.